Today I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube videos directly. That's literally all there is to it. It is so easy. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week.